One is removing the guard from the adapters. Step 2 will be mounting the adapter to the motor. Step 3 is removing the impeller from the stub shaft. Be sure not to lose the keys or the O-rings. We're going to loosen up the collar. Put anti-seize on the motor shaft. Slide the stub shaft onto the motor shaft. Next step, I'm just snugging this collar so that it doesn't move on the shaft. Then we're going to set our back face clearance. Small O-ring, groove facing down. Next, you're putting your impeller key in the keyway on the stub shaft. Line up the keyway, slide the impeller on. Then you are putting another O-ring. The groove is facing up on this. And then you're going to put on your impeller nut. We're going to snug down the impeller nut. And set the back face clearance. 60 thousandths. These are all 60 thousandths. You could use a washer or something as well. Some type of shim. Goes down till it touches. And then you're tightening the collar. Your back face clearance is set. Remove your shims. Loosen impeller nut. Remove the impeller. Small O-ring and the key. Now we remove the back plate. And this is the start of our seal. A small amount of lubricant on the outside of this O-ring. And this slides into the back plate, groove facing down. Make sure that it's seated properly all the way around. This is what the other side should look like. Back plate goes back on. Put a small amount of lubricant on this seal surface. Must be sanitary. This goes on, facing down. Take the spring out, put the small O-ring in, groove facing down, then the spring goes in. Make sure that you line this up with the opening on the seal. Now we're going to go ahead, put our key in. You can push the spring down to make it easier to get the key in. Now we put on our impeller. Our impeller nut O-ring, groove facing up. Make sure the impeller nut properly aligns with the O-ring. And torque to spec. You'll need to use something to go in this 3/8 hole to keep the shaft from spinning while tightening down the impeller nut. Once that is torqued down to spec, remove this. It's time to put our casing on. Couple small taps with the hammer to make sure everything's seated properly. Last step, putting on our guard, making sure that the slot lines up with the hole and that you're on the side with the tap hole. Guard must go on with tabs inside the adapter frame. Tighten down your guard. Pump is complete.